Here we have a 1972 Buick GS with a 455. And back in the day, in the muscle car era, you didn't see as many Buicks around because they would cost more money. This one is a convertible, so it's like a luxurious personal muscle car. I wouldn't call it a sports car, I call it a muscle car. So, GS 455, all black interior. And you know, I'll tell you the truth, I like these when you have the bench seats with that fold down armrest versus you know, the bucket seats with the console. And this car, I'm not sure if this car would have come with the red striped tires or not. But you know, this is the original type trim with the spoiler. Again, it's a Buick GS 455 engine. You notice how the bumper guards are kind of wrapped around the headlight, the taillights. It looks like there's a glass window in the back too. Yeah, that's a great feature. I mean, most of the cars back then, convertibles didn't have a glass window. I remember my '69 Roadrunner did, and I was like, ooh, that was good in the wintertime when you had to get the ice off of there, put a little defroster in back there. Beauty, man. Get around the front one more time.